Hi everyone, this is Christian Raymond Pastor. Welcome back to CRP Films, Stop and Consider God's Wonders. So today guys, unbox this item that I bought in Amazon. It is a lens for my 80D and I realized that I really need to upgrade my lens. Oh no! I've been using the kit lens only guys and some lenses like the 24mm, the 50mm, 1.8. So I realized that I really need to improve my lens and also improve my videography and my photography. This is the 17-55mm lens, 2.8 aperture. So before we are going to unbox this one, let me roll the intro. Before I start guys, allow me to give a big shout out to Chris Kalumba Arts and Crafts and Gold Cup. It is located in Ayungin, Negros Oriental, Philippines. So if you want to have a taste of the sweetest milk tea in town, please visit Chris Kalumba Cold Cup, located in Ayungin, Negros Oriental. So without further ado, let's now unbox this one guys. By the way guys, this is also a gift from my wife, so thank you so much babe for the advance gift for my birthday. Thank you so much for my lens. So, ito na guys. This is it, the Canon EFS 17-55 f2.8 USM lens. So this lens guys is only good for APS-C cameras like the Canon 80D, 60D and also the T7i, T7V guys. So yep, it is only used for APS-C cameras. This costs around 800 CAD guys and it's quite expensive, but it really improves your videography and photography. This lens guys is quite heavy. It has a stabilizer guys which makes your photos and videos stable. It weighs around 22.8 ounces or 646 grams. As you can see guys, the diameter of this lens is around 77mm. I also bought a filter guys, a KNF concept, but this would be in another video. So this is a Canon lens guys. It is a standard wide angle lens. It has an aperture of 2.8. So the minimum focal length of this one is 17mm and the maximum focal length is 5.5mm. So this lens features a large circular aperture that produces a shallow depth of field, creating an awesome background blur. Creates a stunning images in your photos and also in your videos. This lens also guys achieves a autofocus quickly. You will not be worried about in autofocusing. For me, this is a best lens if you have a APS-C cameras like the Canon 80D and now it has upgraded to 90D, and you can also use this lens guys to your T7i or your T5i if you have that. So the good thing of this lens guys is that starting from 17mm to 55mm, if you use the 2.8 aperture, you could still achieve the 2.8 aperture to 55mm. So guys, I will now attach this lens to my 80D. So right now guys, I'm using now the lens to my 80D. So what can you say guys? So guys, the autofocus is really good in this lens, unlike my kit lens. This is my kit lens guys. This lens guys is made in Japan and for sure this is a very good lens guys for your videography and you will never regret it buying. so I'm outside now and I'm going to shoot some videos using the Canon 17-55mm lens. And here it is, guys. I'm attaching it to my Canon 80D, and I'm using my Xeon Crane 2 to stabilize the videos.
Para la familia Jiménez Marín y Jiménez Orduña, que andamos pasando fríos. Saludos.
Saludos desde Leamington, Ontario, para la familia Jiménez, desde están en Morelos, Carnaval. Está haciendo un chingo de frío.
So guys, once again, this is the Canon 17-18mm Canon lens. I hope you love watching this video, guys. Please consider smashing that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Thank you also for watching this video. See you next time, guys. Bye for now.